There, let's see if I can get him in action. What a bunch of dirty birds. Look at what they're doing. Let's see if I can actually see him pull up a tuft of grass that hasn't been disturbed. You can see what they've done out there. It's a big old crow. Now what are they looking for that is so worthwhile that they've got to uproot all my grass to get it? But that's what's happening. They're literally digging up my yard. See, he's going to go somewhere new. Or I thought at first they might be just opportunists. I thought that the grass was uprooted because of a mole out there, but it didn't really look like a mole. It looked like something was digging in my yard. And then I see these birds out there, and I'm wondering if they aren't the ones that ripped the grass out. But maybe not. Maybe they are opportunists. I'm not seeing through the video, Gene. I'm not seeing the bird ripping up any new grass. I don't think. Oh, I take it back. He just ripped up some new grass. He just did it. He's out there ripping up the yard, looking for God knows what. And I can't do a damn thing about it because I'm standing here in my underwear. Oh well.